Guys, how are you doing today? Hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to share with you how to trade the trend on boom and crash. So this strategy can help you to trade for like 20 to 30 minutes or more than that. So the strategy is really simple to use. So before I proceed, let me quickly add the indicators. But if you are new on this channel, please kindly click on subscription buttons, click the bell so that anytime I upload the new video you'll be able to see it. So when doing that, let me add all the indicators that we're going to add. The first indicator we are going to use is a moving average 50 on our main chart. Moving average 50, shift 0, apply to simple. Method is simple. Apply to close. Low. Let's use linear. Okay, apply to close. Let's change the method to linear weight. So the color will be, use any color that you like, but we use this one. Done. Then the second moving average we are going to add is moving average 200. Moving average 200, shift 0, method is exponential. Apply to close. The color should be black. Then done. Before I forgot, the first moving average that we had, which is moving average 50, so method should be simple. So the third moving average we are going to add is moving average 12. We are going to add the moving average 12. Moving average 12, shift 0, method should be linear weight. So apply to close. Use any color that you like, but I will use this. Done. Then we still have another indicator that we're going to add, which is the last indicator, moving average 20. Moving average 20, shift 0, linear weight, apply to close, change the color to any color that you like. I will use this. So this is our main chart. So let's add another indicator to our indicator window 1. So the first one we are going to add is a envelope. So this envelope should be, period should be 1k, shift should be 0, then this deviation should be 200. Method should be exponential. Apply to close. Yes, apply to close. Upper bound, leave it like this. Leave it like this. Upper bound should be this, but let me change it to green, and this one should be red. Lower bound. So leave it like this, exactly like this. Then done. Okay, it's not added. Okay, no problem. Let's delete it. It does not add it. Remove it. Let's first add our RSI. Relative strength index. It's supposed to be relative strength index. Period should be 1. Apply to close. 4 pixel, but we don't want it to show. Let's use 1 pixel so that we don't show. Then level should be level should be 10, 90, 50. Click on this plus sign to add more description. 90, 9, then 92, then we still need 91. The last one should be 9. So that can we need color red here. So click this back. Done. Yes. Then let's add our envelope back. To click on the indicator window 1F plus here to add your envelope. Click on the envelope. We are using period 1000, shift 0. The definition should be 200.100. Method should be exponential. Apply to close. Upper band should be green, then lower band should be red. Then leave it like this. Click done. Yes, it's already added. Yes, it's already added. So the one that we are going to add is MACD. The MACD we are going to add it to our indicator window 1. Click on indicator window 1 to add your MACD. This is our MACD. So the fast EMA should be 12. Slow EMA should be 26. MACD SMA should be 5. Sorry. Then main should be blue and green like this. Then the signal also should be red like this. So that's what we need. Then click done. Yes, this is what we need. So we are going to add the moving average 5 to our chart, to our indicator window 1 also. So moving average 5. So shift 0, exponential, apply to close. Then color should be red. So that's what we need. Done. Yes, yeah, this is what we need. Yes. So how does this strategies works? These strategies work for it works for 5-minute time frame, and it also works for 1-minute time frame. It works for 5-minute time frame, and it's also work for 5-minute time frame. Let me show you how it works. So no, we have a 5 zoom. Everybody know that this is number 1, this is number 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So for this strategy you are using 3 or 4. So you know this is 5, this is 4, and this is 3. Yes, you can use this 3 or this 1. So let's use this 4. This strategy, how does it work? Let me show you. So we are using MACD for our entry, and this moving average. So you know this side is our overbought side here. This 90 level here on this MACD region here is our oversold side. So when this MACD histogram, this green histogram, if it touches this 90 level here, this 90 oversold level here, so we are going to place your trade. When you notice that this red moving average crosses the MACD signal down, so you're going to place your sell. That's our first signal, our first entry. So our first confirmation. The second confirmation is that you will notice that this yellow moving average crosses this purple moving average downward. When it crosses downward, just took your 5-minute candles. 1 minute candle, we took 5. So when you took your 5, then you will out of the market. It's telling you that the market will go down. You can took like 20 candles, because this strategy, if it's happen here, you will notice that the market will go for long. But to be in safer side, maybe you have a small account, you can just took your 5 to 10 minute candle and out of the market and wait for another confirmation. So that is that. So when this when this Instagram touches this 90% level here, and you notice that this red moving average crosses down like this, you are going to took your 5 to 10 minute candle. You notice it's 1 minute candle. So when you took your 5 to 10 minute candle, you will out of the market and wait for another opportunity. So let me show you where. Did you see it? This yellow moving average caused this purple downward. This is what happened. The market sold. It sold for like 1 hour. This is 1 minute candle. If you calculate all these candles, it will be like 40 to 30 candles or more than that from here to here. So it sold. Did you see? You will even you can enter from here and you will assist at this 50 level here. This 50 region here. This is where you will close your trade. So if you enter from here, then you will assist at this 50 level here to be in safer side. From here to here, maybe like it's like 10 candles. So you will exit the market. So let me show you another example. This is boom 500. You see, this strategy is mad. So see another entry here. When this Instagram touches here, this 90 region is telling you that the market is oversold, because after these multiple spikes. So did you see what happened? It touched here, this 90% right region here, and this yellow moving average causes this purple downward. Did you see what happened? The market sold. So you will enter from here, then you will exit at this 50 region here. So you can use this 50 line, this 50 RSI, you can use it as your TP. So you can use it as your TP. You see, this one is more than 1 hour. It's sold for long. Let me show you more samples. You see, this another confirmation. When this yellow line crosses this purple downward, this is MACD Instagram touches this 90 region here, then the red RSI crosses the MACD signal downward. This is what happened. The market sold for long. This is boom. Don't forget, this is boom 1000. So this strategy work. It work well. You see, this is another confirmation. So you see, it touches this Instagram here. This is what happened. The market sold. It sold. So just took your 5 to 10 minute candle and out of the market. So this is another one. See, this is another one. So this is another one. If you want to enter, just make sure that this MACD Instagram touches this line before you took your trade. So that is how it works. You can also check the 5 minute time frame. You will see that it works exactly like that. So this is for 5 minute time frame. You can use the zoom raw. So this is what happens when it touches here. This one crosses it down. So you know this is 5 minute candle. You just need to took only 2 candles, two 5 minute candle. We took from here to here, took it and out of the market to be in safer side. So that is that. So let's check crash, because this is boom. Let's check crash. So let's check crash. We are using chart. This is our yes. You know, the opposite of boom is crash. For boom, you need to wait for this MACD Instagram to touch the 90 region here before you took your trade. For crash, you need to wait for this MACD Instagram to touch the down here. When it touches this down, then this red moving average crosses the MACD signal line here, crosses upward, you will took your trade. Then this yellow moving average here crosses the cross this purple moving average upward, then you take your 5 to 10 minute candle and out of the market. So that is how it works. It's very simple. So just follow the rules. Follow the rules. So let me show you more example. So see, this one said you took your 5 minute candle before you were out of the market. Yeah. So you see, you took more than 5 minute candle here before you were out of the market. So that is how it works, you know. So see it here, you took more than 5 minute candle, so it's sold. You know, there's no other strategies, but maybe you open like 10 trade in a day, 2 can go against you, and you see 8 profits. So that is enough. So don't be greedy. Don't use big lot size. Use the minimum lot size. 0.20, 0.2 is okay. So for $100 downward and $100 account equity, use 0.20 is okay. When you out, maybe you open to trade, then when you took your 5 to 10 minute candle out of the market and wait for another opportunity. So that is that. Thank you very much. So if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So if you like the video, give me thumbs up, but if maybe the video have error or something like that, give us thumbs down. So thank you very much. I really appreciate you.